So I'm attempting to build those Death Star wall panels, and now that I have the front plates machined out, it's time to build the frames. So I'm building half panels because I'll need something compact that I can transport easily. I bought some 27 by 17 millimeter studs that I'm cutting out to build the frame, making sure they're all nice and clean. First attempt at building the frame wasn't the right approach. Basically, I built the frame and then attached the frame to the front, which was not the best idea because it wasn't really flush. Mind you that I have no skills at that. It's the first time that I'm trying something. So yeah, overall it looks okay, but if you really take a look at it, it's not that good. So now, second attempt. Now I'm actually making sure that the sides are flush with the face, and it looks better. One technique that I had was that because I had the front plates in two parts, I left a gap, and making sure that because the wood was a little bit crooked, that I would attach one side and then force the other so that it would bend the wood, and I could just force it to remain flush and make a proper frame. I think it was a better approach overall. So yeah, second panel looks a little better than the first one. I still have two other half parts to do, so hopefully I'll get better and better. And then to hide the screws, I would have used some wood filler, but I did have some plaster, so I went ahead and coated the holes with plaster, and then also tried to finish the sides to make them very flush. I'm really going out on a limb here and trying something. I don't know if it'll hold. I'm waiting to see if it cracks. I heard that it's less flexible than wood filler, so we'll see. Then I apply a second coat over the screws and then give it a good sanding. Now we're ready for painting. I'm using this paint reference that I find to be not too dark and not too light. I don't know exactly what would be the perfect reference for the Death Star wall colors, but I know it's quite dark actually, and I don't want to go that dark. Now that it's dry, here's what it looks like. I'm using this 190 microns Mylar opaque sheet as a diffuser. And a roll is better than sheets. I found it at Ideal Stencils, a UK supplier. And for the LEDs, I usually go with Philips Hue, but they are very expensive. So this time I went with Govee because I want to be able to control them with my smartphone. To close the panels, I'm using some thin MDF with the white side. The white side is perfect for reflection. As you can see, it works well. So now I'm closing the panels. And to stack my two half panels on top of each other, I'm using hinges, a technique that I stole from Galactic Fabrications. If you're in the US, go check out their panels, they're amazing. I wanted to go with them, but shipping to France was too expensive. So now I can fold the panels. It's better if I need to transport them on a fair, let's say. And I'm now done with the two light panels. Honestly, I'm pretty happy with what I did. Looks okay. I have to do some sound dampening here. And then there will be a Saber Factory logo, some lightsaber heels, and then later on an extension to this set. But so far so good, so now I can start shooting some lightsaber videos, and I can't wait. May the Force be with you.